Hey there, everybody. Tom Swift with Basecamp Trading. It is Friday, May 19th, and we're going to take a look at our end-of-day setups for today. First market we're going to look at is the Dow on a 30-minute price chart. And the setup that we were trading this morning in the trading room was in the Dow, the S&P, and the Russell. And we were looking at 30-minute channels here. And what happened when we came in, we looked at what the Dow was doing, and the Dow was moving just sideways like this, okay? And the reason you know it's in a channel is because we have a swing high and a low. All right, so we have a pivot high and a pivot low, and then we just stayed inside that range the entire time. We had been in there for a couple of several hours before breaking out. Then the market opened, and we proceeded to break out. Now, when you're trading a breakout like this, you need to know where the next support and resistance levels are, because that's how you determine whether or not this market has potential to continue to run. So how do you know where your first resistance is? We look at the previous pivot high. Previous pivot high is at 20,740. So we broke out of the channel here at 20,694. We rally right up to that resistance, and that becomes your first target. Now the next question is, okay, well, how do I manage my stop on the second half? So if you're taking off first half profit when you're hitting that resistance, and your second half profit gets trailed by one price bar. So you just proceed to trail it up behind each consecutive high or low as that market continues to head higher. That means you would have just now been getting out at about 20,789, 20,788, whatever this low is here when we broke the previous bar's low, right? So this is one of the setups we look for first thing in the morning. It happened today in the indices. It also happened in natural gas. Nat gas had a great channel this morning that we were looking at with resistance at 3.215 and support down at the lows at 3.19. We ended up breaking out of the channel. You rallied up. Where's your first resistance? Pivot high. So your first target is going to be 3.242 or just before that, so about 3.24. Second target is trailed one bar stop. That gets you out in the second half up at about 3.256. So overall, great trade. Lots of people were able to take advantage of it in the trading room. Worked out perfect in multiple markets. So that's all I have for you for today. Again, keep an eye out for these types of setups. They occur first thing in the morning before the markets really start taking off. So that's it for today. And until next time, don't forget to click that button to subscribe, and happy trading.